Welcome to Consult Advisor, an ICT consulting services company. This video tutorial will guide you step by step on how to record a class call in Microsoft Teams and check the attendance list. Once you are in the call and want to start recording, click on the three dots in the meeting toolbar, then select Record and Transcribe and choose Start Recording. A message will appear asking you to choose the language for the recording and transcription. Select the language that matches the main spoken language of your class and click Confirm. The recording has now started, and a message will appear to all students informing them that the session is being recorded. The recording will continue until it is manually stopped. It will not end automatically even if you leave the meeting. If you try to leave the meeting and join it again, you'll notice that the recording is still in progress. It will continue until you stop it manually. To stop the recording, follow the same steps. Click on the three dots in the meeting toolbar, go to Record and Transcribe and select Stop Recording. A message will appear confirming that the recording has stopped and is being saved. To make sure, a confirmation message will also appear in the chat page, indicating that the recording has been saved in the channel's SharePoint site. Now, as the students start leaving the class, you can check the class attendance. On the Participants sidebar in the upper right corner, click on the three dots next to Participants, then select Download Attendance List. An Excel sheet will be downloaded. Click to open it and check the attendance activity of the students. You'll see when each student joined, left, and rejoined the class call. Now you may leave the class call. To check the recordings in the Posts channel, go to the Files tab. A new folder named Recordings will appear. Inside, you'll find all your recorded sessions which you can play, download, or share in the same way you shared folders in the previous video tutorials. Click on the three dots and choose the action you need. You can also watch the recordings online. When you click on a video, it will redirect you to sign in with your Microsoft account before playback starts, just like we explained in the previous video. Another place to review the meeting recap is from the Posts tab. Go back to the Posts channel and open the conversation related to your class meeting. By clicking on the recap, you can watch the recording directly here. You can also check the attendance report from the same recap section. Click on Play to watch the recording directly within Teams. For more video tutorials, visit our channel.